Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making apple and cucumber smoothie. For this recipe you need 2 ingredients, some 2 apples and 1/2 of a cucumber. Firstly, I'm going to prep my ingredients. First I'm going to be starting off with cutting up the apples. Cut them into 4 pieces. Next you gotta remove all the green and the seeds. Make sure to do it properly and not cut your fingers or hands. Next I'm gonna prep my cucumber. Now that I've prepped all my ingredients, I'm now going to put them all into my speed blender. I'm now going to cover and blend. I'm now going to be serving it into my nice fine cup. This smoothie is very healthy and can be part of your 5 a day because of the apples. It can also provide you much nutrients such as vitamin A, K and C. We are now come to the end of the video. Kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.